Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use Salesforce Maps. This is a powerful tool for visualizing customer data, planning routes, and improving field sales productivity. Let's get started. On the Salesforce dashboard, to find and use Salesforce Maps, all we need to do is click the Quick Settings button, which has a gear logo, in the upper right corner of the dashboard. This is where we can find our settings. Now, we just need to click this option. Once we click it, we then click Open Advanced Setup. Here, we will find the basic settings for Salesforce. This is where we can configure everything we need. Once we are here, we click the Quick Find search bar. It becomes much easier to find what we are looking for by typing Maps into the search bar. This saves us time and helps us navigate Salesforce quickly. When we see the Maps and Location option, we just need to click Settings. This is where we can use and configure maps and location features. To enable them, all we have to do is click Edit, and then check the box if we want to auto-complete standard address fields on our maps. We can also enable Maps allocation by checking this option. This helps sales teams plan better, work more efficiently, and make smarter data-driven decisions. Once we are done, we simply click Save. Maps are now enabled on Salesforce, and that is how we set up and use Salesforce Maps. With this tool, we can better organize our sales activities and get valuable location-based insights.